Keep the change.
Here is $20 for the fare, keep the change.
Where can I pick up my baggage?
Excuse me, where can I pick up my baggage for the international arrival?
Is this seat taken?
Excuse me, is this seat taken or may I sit here?
I'm looking for.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the nearest subway station.
Keep the change.
Here is $20 for a $15 fare, keep the change.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
I have a terrible headache. Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Where is the nearest subway station?
Excuse me, do you know where the nearest subway station is?
Where is baggage claim?
Excuse me, could you tell me where baggage claim is for flight 214?
Could you speak a bit slower?
I'm still learning English, so could you speak a bit slower, please?
Is there a boarding gate change?
Excuse me, is there a boarding gate change for the flight to Chicago?
Is this seat taken?
Excuse me, is this seat taken or can I sit here?
Where is the nearest restroom?
Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom in this mall?
Is this seat taken?
Excuse me, is this seat taken or can I sit here?
Where can I catch a taxi?
Excuse me, where can I catch a taxi around here?
Where is the boarding gate?
Excuse me, where is the boarding gate for flight 402?
How do I get to?
Excuse me, how do I get to the central train station?
Where is baggage claim?
We just landed. Where is baggage claim for international flights?